Today we are solving another LeetCode problem is combination sum 1. Here we can take a distant integer candidates and a target integer target. Return a list of all unique combinations of candidates where the chosen numbers the sum. The same. Now let us take an example. Candidate equal to 2, 3, 6, 7, target is 7. Let's explain this first example. I take the candidates 2, 3, 4. Let's take candidate output equal to 7. Next one, I can CS means here combination sum. What is the combination possible here? 2 plus here. Is any combination possible here? That's why we call combination sum. 2 can be used multiple times. That way I can use 2 plus 3 here. 2 here. What is the candidate here? 2, 3, 5 and target is 8. Now let's consider 3, 5. Then I can write target equal to 8 here. Combination sum equal to 2 plus 2, 2, 2. This is my combination 8 is possible. Now combination is possible. Next I can write 3, 5. 2 combination sum is possible. Next we can write another combination sum 2, 3, 3. That means we get 8 is possible in combination sum. These are the 3 combinations are possible. That's why we can write combination sum equal to 3. Write the code first. From typing import list. Then I can write if target equal to 0, that means return empty brackets. In the empty brackets I can write another square bracket. Next again I write if target less than 0, return empty braces, empty square bracket. Next I can write red square bracket, I can write num plus rest for I comma num in enumerate candidates. Then self dot combination sum of candidates I. That's it. This is a simple logical code. So let's run this code. We don't get any error here. That means this code is simple and easy flow. That's it. We don't have any error here. Let's submit this code. We get the output here. Now you may ask, what is rest here? Rest stands for remaining combo. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Tech with Vijay, guys. If you have any doubt, please tell me in the comment box, in the comment section. Bye.